Premtobre Kasee no eso na yenko yensam foforo emu na creative director na nei wode nsem to dwachire mu sebra so se wo se yenya creative bill ya de be share senior high school no emu eno so betumi aboa ama creative industry no so tumi agina na so se ye de wo mo hyase efri senior high school no mu a omo benyini no na je se wo munim de beboa ama ho so mfasode a yenya wo ho no yense tumi aka Adom TV Kasee etwaso
Ghana Tourism Authority, Womo Creative Arts Industry Dialogue, Koso Ewon Krano, Chief Executive Officer, CEO, Ghana Tourism Authority, Kusia Jemai, EBPMO Jumediana Se, Deputy Minister of Tourism, Mako Kreku Mante, no nonso ewo, na wo Jumediana Se, Deputy Director, no, and a Creative Arts Agency, ano, Franco Usu, Editu Jase, Womo di Niema Egu Akwem, Sene Niema Efa Creative Art Wono, Ebeba Beka Ghana, Adisua Ewon Semho, na Boa Edimpuntu Abaumamu.
Creative Education Bill no a policy bia ye de beto ye educational policy no ho say ne so ba eco school de da ho say no is so fixated on maths and science into be bring ba out omonye adwuma onsa no adwuma bia enye but creatively no ye who said the world is going to contribute 61% of the world per capita income in the coming years, and these are from the creative industry. Then we need to build them from the scratch.
Chief Executive Officer, CEO, Ghana Investment Promotion Center, GIPC, Yofi Grant, and so Editu just say
creative industry so sika wumpa sika, whether it's music, whether it's film, whether it's in fashion, sika, even art. There are about more than 5 Ghanaian artists, one more painting, one more drawing, who can sell a piece of work for more than $1 million each.